Adam made some major tracks with that trencher. Now he's gonna have water to his camper and his shop. And they just have a ton of pressure here coming from over 300 feet deep. But great pressure, clean water, good drinking. Comes out cold, which is a nice treat. Our water in St. George, the underground pipes get so hot that our cold water comes out hot, you know? So to get a cold drink of water, you have to add ice. So here we're getting just nice clean water right out of the pipe. It's great.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay. Now we got to go, and it's time to go. I think that we all know that Johnny Boy is on his way. Jump in the car, Murphy is the gas. Doesn't take long before we hear the sirens blast. But we all take calm, 'cause there ain't no way. Yeah, we all stay calm, 'cause there ain't none of those coppers gonna lock us up today. No way.
Come up here by the creek and Skull Rock. That's pretty cool though. And water is life. And little fishes down there. My shoulder. Hippico guy.
Oh, he ran.
Aren't you pretty? Yes, you're handsome. I think the old timers really cleared these places out. You never know. Got some pay dirt. Britt's first bucket of pay dirt. We got the ranger doing its thing on these goat trails. Here's Golconda back there. These are gold mines out here. That's where we're trying to head up to. There's another oasis way up the mountain. Might be it up there. Well, our adventure here is about to come to an end. Got the van packed up again. Maybe even better than last time. But usually that doesn't happen. We got them closer to being set up for their solar here. They're going to add on 10 panels. So we got the structure built for panels there. Adam's Ranger that did really good, taking us out in the hills and doing some gold mining, gold panning, finding that pay dirt. So see you later to our friends. Bye, friends.
Love you guys.
Well, we got the truck moved to its point where you saw Taryn driving it. The mouse or chipmunk might have got into more of those wires on that one side where you cut open that fuel injection wire. So they're gonna get a compression checker, and they're also going to get a code reader for it to let them know if that motor's still good. It would kind of run like that if the motor was bad, but a couple of times that motor sounded like it was running good. So I think it's just some more chewed up wires on those, I'm guessing those last two cylinders on the passenger side. The next big project was the solar panel foundation framework, and I'm going to take the blame on messing up some measurements on that, and it did end up being square. Me and Jason got back out there, and it was hot, and we were kind of dragging ass, and we set that one corner post, and I think that's about the time that we messed up. It's gonna be fine. It's just the boards are a little longer that hold the solar panels on the end, one end, than they are the other. Going out and finding the Skull Rock and the stream beds where there was possibility of gold. We went out to some abandoned mines, gold mines out there, and they actually know one of the guys that owns one of the claims, and so he said we could take a little bit of his tailings and check it out. And it seems like after all the panning, we possibly found some silver. It shows up as kind of a blue color, but it was with the iron down at the bottom of the pan, and it sparkled a nice blue color, and we gathered it up, and it's in our little suction tube vial guy, and there's a little bit, probably 10 cents worth of silver in there, if it is silver. But it was fun to do the technique, and we went through about a 5-gallon, about 6 gallons, 6.5 gallons of pay dirt, or lack thereof, and it took a couple hours to get through it. It was surprising how long that took. It was really fun out there. We slept really good in the van. Taryn and Amber ended up finding, I believe, 5 scorpions under their tent total. Around their tent, ranging in size from a very large one down to a very small one. 3 very small ones. Me and Adam tried to go to the Golconda bar, but they were closed on Sunday. It was a good time, good food, good friends, and I hope to get them down to the St. George sometime to help me out with my website and some of my YouTube stuff, because I'm really not computer savvy, and but it was awesome to see you, and Athena, Jason, Annie M, Adam. We love you guys, and we'll be back up here someday, I'm sure.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be